We are at our first HR event, and I have with me Mr. Padumna Pandey, HR advisor and former Hero MotoCorp. Thank you, sir, for coming to our first event. And I would like to know for the first thing is, how was your experience at APAC's first HR event?
I think when we normally I attend such programs every fortnight, but this was a bit different because when you have those panel discussions which are free flow without any prefix moderation, I think that I love today, and the topic itself was very interesting because it's about future. So it was lovely being here because I always feel that sharing is learning. So I also learned a lot of things. I not only came for my own panel, but I have attended 3 panel continuation. So it's like learning from this entire event. It's a wonderful environment, a platform to connect, network with people for sure.
I have one more question for you. You must be knowing that the government is actually pushing for skilling events, skilling programs. We have national skilling program, and under national skilling program there are several schemes, PMKVI and others like JSS. So I just want to know, how do you think this kind of initiatives by the government, whether it is central government or states, how do you think this is going to impact the entire ecosystem, and how it is going to help the youth to join the industry and be the industry ready?
I think the way we are moving becoming manufacturing hub for the entire world, it's important that we understand what are the skill gaps, what are the skills needed by the industry. I think this entire scheme, Skill India, what government is running, which they are supporting, it's helping to identify that gap and then to see that the gap is eliminated. That becomes important. And I will also share that during COVID, we have felt that there was a shortage of manpower. There was even people, those who were working, they had to forgo their jobs because certain jobs were not available at the time. I think skilling, when we talk about, it's not only skilling, it's also multi-skilling. And those multi-skill gives that power to the bottom of the pyramid, my blue-collar workers, that they are able to showcase that they know more than one skill. And even if they are working that recognition of prior learning, and they are working for years as a technician, but if you are going and saying we certify you on this, that makes them more aspirational journey for them. They will look forward to learn more the way it should be, that it will help them in not only their journey but also organization to improve productivity. And that's why I say skilling is important, recognition of skill is important. People now see value of working with hands, value of skills, which is, I will say, not that great in our country. It is gaining through this skill initiatives.
Absolutely. Thank you for sharing your thoughts. We hope to see you in our future events also.
I will.
Thank you so much. This is Bhashwati signing out.
Thank you.